found a way to block the airplane mode trick, so unfortunately this doesn't work anymore. Now, if you were to turn airplane mode on your phone and you try to start an order, the app will tell you to turn your service back on in order to continue the order. This is unfortunate that a few months ago I shared this information so that all of you could have access to this little trick that a bunch of drivers were already using. And now Walmart went and changed this so the trick can't be used anymore. I guess that this will make it more fair for everybody, but it was already pretty fair because everybody had access to the information to know about the airplane mode trick. Now to start an order, you'll either have to be far enough away from the store that the app will calculate that it'll take you until the 40-minute mark of the hour to arrive. So let's say that you get an order at 12:15 and you're about 30 minutes away from the store based off of your GPS location. You will be able to start the order immediately and you shouldn't have to wait until the 40 or 45-minute mark of the hour to start the order. This means that you'll have no waiting time. If you got the order and you're already at the Walmart store at say 12:15, then you're not going to be able to start the order just like how it was previously before the airplane mode trick. So you will have to wait until the 40-minute mark of the hour to be able to start the order and check in. Unfortunately, at this time, there's no workaround for this, so this severely impacts and limits the amount of orders that a Walmart Spark driver could take every single day. But one good thing, if you live in a metro area and there's a surplus of orders compared to the amount of drivers, then you can get a first come, first serve or a demand is high order that doesn't have a timer on it, and you can start those orders immediately without needing to wait. Now, this is the only way that you can do up to 2 orders per hour is by doing first come, first serve or demand is high orders. This was just a quick little update to replace my previous airplane mode video so that way you guys are informed about this change and you guys don't think that the airplane mode trick still works because it has been deactivated. Also, I just wanted to keep you guys informed about all of the changes that are being implemented on the Walmart Spark app. So I will make a couple more videos about all of the different changes that have occurred over the past couple of months and give you some more information and let you know how that's going to impact you as a driver. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.